Let me tell you something. I just rubbed my own self down with my own fix. My fix. Hemp CBD Salve. It is good for sore muscles, pain, achy joints, nerve pain. It really takes off the edge. And I'm telling you, I'm my own recipient of my own product. And I made it for those particular reasons. Because I like stuff that are natural. And I know a lot of you appreciate natural remedies and alternative. I don't even like to say alternative. Blue chamomile. Did you know that chamomile was good as a pain soother? Got that in here too. Along with organic hemp CBD. No THC. But it's powerful. A powerful plant. So make sure you get your fix from my fix. Hemp CBD Salve. Go to hisgardennaturals.com and try it for yourself. Rub this on. And you don't have to worry about side effects that medication would give you. And relax. And you can also use it as a massage cream. Hemp CBD Salve by His Garden Naturals. Rub it on. You just need to relax. Relax the muscles. And just take a little bit, right? Rub it in your hand. And just massage. You go in a circular motion, which also helps to stimulate blood flow, right? Get that blood circulating. Really, really good. And just do the same on both arms. Any area that is sore, your shoulders. My shoulders really get sore often. My fix, because it is a fix.